Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Wanpoi News.
Hi, my name is Huyền and this is Cao Thái Hà, and we come from Vietnam. I'm a film producer, director and actress, and she the leading actress in the Kiều movie. And we are very happy to be here to attend the Meghalaya International Film Festival and present my movie is Kiều.
Okay, a little bit about the
Còn tôi là Cao Thái Hà, tôi là diễn viên trong bộ phim Kiều của đạo diễn Mai Thu Huyền. Lần này thì tôi cảm thấy rất là vui và hạnh phúc khi mà bộ phim của mình được tham dự liên hoan phim ở thành phố Ceylon, Ấn Độ lần này. Đặc biệt hơn nữa là trong cái chuyến đi dự liên hoan phim lần này, Hà cũng được mọi người chăm sóc, cũng giống như là dẫn cho Hà đi tham quan một cái đất nước rất là đẹp và rất là ấn tượng. Cảm ơn mọi người rất nhiều.
I agree with her. It's the first time we come to India, and I'm very happy and exciting with the weather, the beautiful landscape, and especially the familiar people.
Yeah.
okay.
I produce about 15 film, a movie and TV series in Vietnam, and I produce the 3 movie, a feature film, and we release in Vietnam and other countries such as USA, California, Canada, and many countries. And also the Kiều is the first movie as a director. Yeah, and last year, after Kiều release in Vietnam, we also invite to attend the Newport Beach Film Festival in the Los Angeles and Asian World Film Festival in the US, and we also submit the Golden Globe last year, and we also have many awards in Vietnam, and I'm very happy. And now this year I present my movie in the India audience and international audience. A filmmaker attend the Meghalaya International Film Festival. The movie is the story based on the portrait of a very famous in Vietnam. Is by Nguyễn Du. He's very famous, and the story about the girl, beautiful girl and talent, and but her destiny is very poor, and many people love her, and in this story is about the story between the three people, and she is a wife, and Kiều, the leading actress is Kiều, and her husband is Thúc Sinh. To be here, and the warmness of people, they welcome us in Ceylon, and I hope I can come to Ceylon and India many times and present my other movie in the future.
You feel some similarities with Vietnam and Ceylon and Meghalaya?
I think the Ceylon is similar the Đà Lạt in Vietnam. Same the weather and the beautiful town with the mountain, and the weather is
The weather is similar to Vietnam.
Đà Lạt province.
So you find the people also somehow sort of like neighborhood, the people here. You feel that you feel at home.
The people is very family.
Family.
Yeah, family. And today we try local food. It's okay. Yeah, very delicious.
So what did you have? Local food.
Yeah.
Local food, kasi dish. You like kasi dish? How you taste?
Yes. Yeah. I eat today. Yeah, I like it.
It's similar to Vietnamese food.
Vietnam food is very delicious and many various different kinds. We have special food is pho. Many kinds of food from the north, the medium, and the south. Yeah, different. And when people come to Vietnam, we want to try the Vietnamese food.
How did you connect with the Miklia Film Festival, especially with the Miflima in Shillong? How do you connect with the president of Miklia Film Shillong?
How? Yeah, and because Kyo also award and have award and attend the many film festival in Vietnam, and the judge, one member of the judge in Vietnamese film festival, know the Mr. Jahu and invite him the Kyo, and after watch the Kyo, and he recommend Kyo attend the film, the Megahaya film festival. Yeah.
Have you watching one of the Kasi film? Have you watching on it? Kasi film. How you watching the Kasi film? Have you watch?
Did you watch the Khasi movie here, local movie?
Not yet, because the first time, because I have just fly to the Shillong in this afternoon, today. So I cannot. I don't have time to watch movie, another movie. So I hope to watch another movie to learn the international filmmaker.